Hey guys, so my name's Sal. I'm the owner of DPI Visual Solutions. We design, print and install signage. And today I'm going to show you how to make an A-frame. So this particular A-frame is a 900 millimeters wide by 1200 millimeters tall A-frame. And we're going to digitally print, laminate, trim it all up and mount it onto sheets of sheet metal. And then with that, we're going to rivet that onto a frame that we just buy from a supplier. All right, so you can see the artwork. So we designed it in Adobe Illustrator, and the size is 1221 by 920. That's because we have bleed of 10 mils on either side and 10 mils on top and bottom. So basically what we do is we've drawn it up, customers have actually already approved it, and I've saved it onto as an Illustrator EPS, and we've dragged it into Production Manager, which is what we use with our HP printer. And that's the print job, that's the material we're using, and that's the machine, HP Latex 335. So there it is there. It's actually already printed. So it came out of this machine here. And it is printed, and then we've already laminated it. Now we just need to mount it onto our sheet of steel. Okay, so obviously it's an A-frame, so it's double-sided. That's one side. The other side I've already done. So basically this is ready to go in onto the frame, but I'll show you how we do it. So we basically position it. What I'll do, I'll put the camera on the tripod and I'll show you how I do it. Side tape using my knife. All right, so super carefully, you have to grab the printed sign. The hardest part about this is getting the sign actually lined up perfectly. I kind of use my fingers to like feel around, and I focus on one side. It's pretty much perfect. Straight down, and that's it. Dead straight. Okay, and I just press that down like so, and I flip it over. I do the other side. Nice and straight. That's it. All right, so the sign's all basically put together, excluding the wheels. But I just want to show you something. So sometimes when you put the panel down, it's not perfectly like lined up to where the pre-drill holes are. So it's got like a mil here, the sign panel's a mil in from the frame, as you can see. And then here it's not quite, it's pretty much flush, but still it won't line up. So what I like to do is I like to get a drill bit, and I like to just, it's pretty good actually, but if it's a bit off, there you go, a little bit off, down here too. The rivets won't actually line up. It's pretty good, but it just, that mil or half mil will just stop the rivet from going in. So what I'll do now is I'll just pop rivet that, and put the wheels on and ready to go. All right guys, so as part of the kit, when you buy the A-frame from a supplier, it comes with, well, this is for the 1200 by 900. Comes with wheels, rivets, bolts to bolt the wheels in, and the frame comes with double-sided tape. So you apply the sheet metal over the top of double-sided tape, and then you put the rivets in, and it's already pre-drilled as well. So just like that, and this double-sided tape. All right, so going to apply this and I'll show you how it looks. All right, so the last part of the A-frame is basically put the wheels in. So you can see that the holes are here. And so I'll put the wheels in, and also what I find with these A-frames is from the factory that the hinges come a little bit loose. So if you watch this, you can see like, there's a bit of play from that bottom screw, so I like to tighten it up a little, tighten things up. There you go, nice and tight. Sometimes I even put a little bit of like Loctite. To make sure the screw doesn't come undone. Okay, cool. So put the wheel in, and it's actually threaded. It's got a thread there, so really easily, just put the wheel in, tighten up. Even comes with like a little tool to even tighten up the bolt. Side. This got good bearing. All right, this side. Awesome, and she's pretty much done. All right, so it's all put together. It's got its wheels. It rolls back and forward. She rolls pretty well. You can see closes. It's pretty good. Might go around the edge and just check the edges of the print. But I'm pretty happy with this. Rolls around. All right guys, if you want to see more how-to videos on how to make signs, prints, graphics, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be showing you how to do more how-tos. Thanks guys, see ya, bye.